Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Byola, Partyheaven. Welcome back to another Create With Me. Guys, what do you think about the amazing colors I used in this design? I love the color combo. The client gave me a free hand, and trust me, when I have a free hand, I love to explore with colors. So basically the colors were double stuffed as always to get the best colors, and for longevity, double stuff. So these balloons are Quicklink and Tuftex brands, and I just double stuffed them. So you see the color mix in the description. If you're new to my channel, guys, this is not a tutorial, but I am sure you can learn from it. There are videos I make while on the job, so I call them Create With Me, and this is the 3rd season. So if you think this is not much of a tutorial, trust me, it's still something you could learn from. So watch till the end. Subscribe if you love this video. Drop a comment in the comment section. Like this video. Tell me what you think. I would love to read from you. Right. So it was just like something the client wanted, and she gave me free hands with the colors, and I just came up with this design. I like to create stuff away from the norm, and that's what I've done here. So for attachment points, because I know some people would ask, okay, how did you attach the balloons to the backdrop? So there's this thing I use, it's called a wall hook. That is what I attach to the back of my backdrops that has no connection point. I attach them and I just tie my 260Q onto it, and it makes it easy for me to wrap my balloons around it. If you want to get some for yourself, I've got some in my Amazon store. Link to my Amazon store is in the description. So also I'm going to be using some palms in this design. I got them off eBay, normal green colors, and I spray painted it into gold to complement the colors I was using. I'm going to put a link to that in the description too. So guys, remember to drop a comment. If you have any questions in regards to this, let me know in the comment section. I'm not going to talk you through the whole of this video because it's a Create With Me. I want you to enjoy and just watch me as I create something I think is amazing. Tell me what you think about the colors too. I love the lace from Quicklink. Amazing color. I can't wait to create something with it, mixing it with the platinum gold. I'm sure it would look incredibly amazing. Anyway, guys, let me stop here now. Remember to subscribe. Please subscribe. Turn on the notification button. It's free and it helps my channel to grow. So please, please, please subscribe. Click the notification button. Drop a comment, like the video, and I'll see you same time next week. Bye, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.